Hey guys, it's Steph here. It is time for a stock update. So in this video, I thought I would just walk around, highlight it, and cut a beautiful bouquet to bring inside. These flowers smell absolutely heavenly. So excited to show you what has happened since my last video. I was really concerned about if I was gonna get big blooms or how these stock were gonna turn out, but it's been incredible. So let's take a look, let's walk around, and I hope you enjoy this little highlight. Aren't these just outrageously gorgeous? So there is one thing I wanted to add. So typically with your stock, if you haven't been following along on my videos, they say you'll get about 50% of these single blooms, which this is a single bloom, and then about 50% of these double blooms. What I've been so impressed with is it seems like I have far more double blooms than I have single blooms. And so obviously these ones are far superior to these ones. These are the ones the florists really want. But look how tall they are. So they're up to 2 feet tall. Got this beautiful light soft pink color along with those peachy soft peachy pink ones, and then this dark beautiful dark purple bloom. And the smell is so strong. I can smell them from nearly 75 feet away. So at first this is kind of what they look like. And so I was like, uh-oh, these blooms are going to be tiny, but somehow this turns into these. And they look like your delphinium, just a little bit more ruffly. There is one thing I should have done, and that was stake my stock earlier on. I didn't anticipate them getting so tall. And then we had an incredibly windy spring. It just was a little bit more windy than normal. Settled down a little bit, but as you can see here, they've kind of flopped over. They're a little bit wonky, reaching for the sun. And so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these ones and put them in a bouquet. You can kind of see they're all slanting one direction. But other than that, they've been so tough. They just took a little bit more time. I just had to get the timing right. Started them really early in January. I gave them a few doses of fertilizer about once a month. So I only did that 2 or 3 times. And anyways, just been really happy with them. They have seemed a little bit tougher than my ranunculus and have handled the heat just a little bit better. But the temperatures have been absolutely perfect. They've been a little bit more mild. And so it's worked out really great. Definitely gonna grow these next year. Hope you enjoyed cutting some stock with me this morning. I do have to say, this is probably one of those moments I'm most proud of because stock's a little bit trickier to grow, especially in my zone 6B climate. Anyway, so I'm really proud of myself right now, and it's so beautiful. Anyways, there are a few things I did. I just made sure I watered them every single day. I didn't let them dry out when the temperatures started to warm up a little bit, and it worked out really well. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I'm gonna cut another bouquet and probably give it to a neighbor or a friend. If you did grow some stock, I hope you had a lot of success, and I will see you in my next video. Talk to you later. Bye.